Mining sites are fraught with hazards. One of the biggest risks comes from moving vehicles, particularly large loaders that move materials around. The risks increase in underground mines as the dark and narrow tunnels limit drivers' vision. This is where IFM's O3M sensor can make a life-saving difference. IFM's 3D sensor uses patented photo mixing technology to detect scenes and objects three-dimensionally in the one capture. By using speed, the motion vector and other settings, the sensor calculates the probability of a collision. It sends data to the control system and then relays it back to the driver. Let's go underground. We know worker safety is not a game. That's why we've designed sensors to prevent accidents and save lives. At IFM, we stay close to our customers. We can work with you to improve the safety of your mining operation.